Hades, the god of the underworld in Greek mythology, is a figure that has intrigued scholars and enthusiasts for centuries. One particular point of contention is the relationship between Hades and Plutus, and whether they are the same entity or two separate deities. Let's delve into the mythological texts and explore this fascinating topic. Hades, also known as Pluto, was a son of the Titans Cronus and Rhea, and a brother to Zeus, Poseidon, Demeter, Hera, and Hestia. As the ruler of the underworld, Hades was responsible for presiding over the souls of the deceased and maintaining order in his dark domain. His name has become synonymous with the afterlife and the realm of the dead in Greek mythology. However, the name Pluto also holds significance in the context of Hades. According to Plato, the later name Pluto was preferred by people because it meant giver of wealth and was not fear-provoking. This raises the question of whether Hades and Plutus are one and the same, or if they are distinct deities with different domains of influence. One interpretation is that Hades and Plutus represent different aspects of the same god. In this view, Hades embodies the role of the underworld ruler and guardian of the dead, while Plutus symbolizes the aspect of wealth and abundance. This duality reflects the multifaceted nature of deities in Greek mythology, or a single god can embody various attributes and functions. Another perspective is that Hades and Plutus are indeed separate entities. While Hades governs the realm of the dead, Plutus is associated with the bestowal of wealth and prosperity. These distinct roles suggest that Hades and Plutus are not interchangeable and represent different divine figures within the pantheon. It is worth noting that the Greek gods often underwent name changes and variations in different regions and time periods. This fluidity in the nomenclature of deities adds another layer of complexity to the understanding of Hades and Plutus. In the ancient Greek world, the concept of wealth was closely linked to the underworld and the afterlife. The Greeks believed that offerings and riches buried with the deceased would accompany them to the realm of Hades. This connection between wealth and the underworld further blurs the distinction between Hades and Plutus, as both are intertwined with the idea of prosperity and abundance. The relationship between Hades and Plutus also raises questions about the perceptions of the underworld in Greek mythology. While Hades is often depicted as a fearsome and enigmatic figure, the association of Plutus with wealth introduces a more nuanced understanding of the underworld as a source of both dread and potential blessings. As with many aspects of Greek mythology, the interpretation of Hades and Plutus can be subject to varying viewpoints and scholarly debate. The complex nature of these deities invites further exploration and analysis, as we strive to unravel the intricacies of Greek mythology and its pantheon of gods. In conclusion, the relationship between Hades and Plutus in Greek mythology is a topic that continues to captivate the imagination of enthusiasts and scholars alike. Whether they are seen as different aspects of the same deity or as distinct entities with separate domains, the interplay between Hades and Plutus offers a rich and intriguing glimpse into the complexities of ancient Greek religion and mythology.